Artificial intelligence is changing how we work, learn, and create. But with thousands of AI tools available, finding the ones that are actually useful can be difficult. Today, we're looking at 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 AI tools that can save you hours every week. Let's start with ChatGPT, one of the world's most popular AI assistants. To use ChatGPT, simply visit chatgpt.com and sign into your account. Think of ChatGPT as your personal AI assistant. Whether you need help brainstorming ideas, writing emails, creating presentations, learning a new topic, solving technical problems, or planning your daily tasks, ChatGPT is ready to help. All you have to do is type your question or describe what you need in plain English. The more details you provide, the better and more accurate the response will be. Within seconds, ChatGPT generates answers, suggestions, explanations, or even complete documents based on your request. It can save you time, boost your productivity, and help you work more efficiently. Whether you're a student, a professional, a business owner, or simply someone looking to learn something new, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can make everyday tasks faster and easier. Next up is Perplexity AI, a powerful AI-powered research assistant. If you're looking for quick and reliable information, Perplexity AI can help you research topics much faster than a traditional search engine. It's same as ChatGPT. Simply ask a question, and it provides a clear, well-structured answer along with links to the sources it used, making it easy to verify the information or explore the topic in more detail. Canva AI makes design easier. You can create presentations, social media graphics, and professional designs without being an expert designer. Now, let's take a look at ElevenLabs, one of the leading AI voice generation tools. ElevenLabs can turn your text into natural, human-like speech in just a few clicks. Also, you can check the voice before applying in project. Here is the example.
Fear. I think this is a really nice way to just talk naturally together, you know?
Hey, are you looking for a fresh and engaging voice for your podcast or social media? Then I'm the voice for you.
Simply enter your script, choose a voice, and it generates a professional quality voiceover that sounds realistic and engaging. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, training materials, podcasts, audiobooks, or marketing content, ElevenLabs helps you produce high-quality voiceovers without needing to record your own voice. It also supports multiple languages and a variety of voice styles, making it a great choice for creators and businesses alike. This is especially helpful if you're not comfortable recording your own voice or don't have access to professional recording equipment. With ElevenLabs, you can create natural-sounding voiceovers for your videos and presentations in just a few minutes, giving your content a polished and professional finish, ES alike. This way it helps you to make the video and presentation without your voice, and it's very helpful who have not voice. Next is Gamma, an AI-powered tool that makes creating presentations and documents faster and much more easier. Instead of spending hours designing slides from scratch, simply enter your topic or provide a prompt, and Gamma automatically generates a well-structured presentation complete with content, layouts, and visuals. You can easily customize the slides by editing the text, changing the design, adding images, or adjusting the layout to match your style. Whether you're preparing a business presentation, a training session, a project proposal, or a client pitch, Gamma helps you create professional-looking presentations in just a few minutes, saving you both time and effort. Here's an example of how Gamma works. Simply enter your topic or paste your text, and Gamma instantly transforms it into a professional presentation. It also offers a variety of presentation templates and layouts, allowing you to choose the style that best fits your needs. As you can see, creating a polished presentation takes just a few minutes. Instead of spending hours designing slides and formatting content, Gamma does most of the work for you, so you can focus on your ideas. It's an excellent tool for students preparing assignments or class presentations, as well as for corporate professionals creating business presentations, project updates, training materials, or client proposals. With Gamma, anyone can create impressive, professional-looking presentations quickly and effortlessly. Next is Grammarly AI, one of the most popular AI-powered writing assistants available today. If you spend a lot of time writing emails, reports, presentations, proposals, social media posts, or even simple messages, Grammarly AI can help you write faster and more confidently. Grammarly is installed as a browser extension or desktop application. It works in the background while you type. It automatically checks your grammar, spelling, punctuation, sentence structure, and writing style in real time. Instead of manually proofreading your content, Grammarly instantly highlights mistakes and suggests better alternatives with just one click. But Grammarly does much more than correcting grammar. It also analyzes the clarity and tone of your writing. For example, if your email sounds too formal, too casual, or unclear, Grammarly provides suggestions to make it sound more professional, friendly, or confident, depending on your audience. One of its most useful AI features is the ability to rewrite sentences. If you're struggling to find the right words, Grammarly can rephrase your content to make it shorter, clearer, or more impactful while preserving the original meaning. This is especially useful when you're writing important emails, customer responses, or business documents. Another great feature is its AI writing assistance. You can ask Grammarly to help you draft emails, summarize information, generate ideas, or improve existing content in just a few seconds. This can save a significant amount of time, especially when you're working on multiple tasks throughout the day. For students, Grammarly is an excellent tool for improving essays, assignments, research papers, and presentations. It helps eliminate writing errors while making the content easier to read and understand. For professionals, Grammarly ensures that emails, reports, project documentation, and client communications are polished and professional before they're shared. This helps create a positive impression and reduces the chances of misunderstandings caused by unclear writing. AI is becoming an important skill for the future. The best way to understand AI is to start using it. Which AI tool do you think is the most useful? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Cognivaro for more AI and technology videos. Thanks for watching.